Today I'm going to reveal 4 all-time favorite passive income ideas. Only we taking action, we have the option to make our future bright. What would you do with an extra $1,000 per month? 1. Invest. 2. Pay off credit card debt. 3. Store your cash in an emergency fund. There are so many things you can do to get by with an extra $1,000 per month, which is why I decided I should share these passive income ideas with you. Let's get started and take a look at these best passive income ideas. 1. Invest. The first thing we must do is invest. Of all the passive income ideas, we must invest a priority. Why invest? Time is on our side. It's a long-term game. We are not big spenders. We already build healthy investment habits. Considering these previous points, we knew that we would have to continue with our investment plan, if not invest even more. When it comes to investing, not only do you see that your investments increase over time through compound interest, but you can also see that what is known as dividends increases your passive income. Are you ready to invest? Start investing for your future. The sooner you start, the better. You can not only earn through compound interest but also through earning dividends on your investments. 2. Create a course. The first time I heard someone tell me that they made over $5,000 per month through course sales, I laughed. In my opinion, you can earn as much money as you want, simply building a course, promoting it through social media, sell the course through a basic platform. Turns out, you can create a course for just about anything. How to flip your iPhone, how to create cartoon characters, how to build a better social media presence, you say it. In fact, when it comes to passive income ideas without money, this is my favorite. So how do you create a course and promote it? Step number 1. Know what you're good at. The main theme could be anything. The possibilities are endless. Start by evaluating your strengths. When do people come to you for help? What is your area of expertise? What do you like to do? Step number 2. Create your course. There are many ways to create an online course. You can record a video, write an ebook, prepare a PowerPoint presentation. If you're really passionate about the subject, creating the course won't feel like a job. It's going to be fun for you. Step number 3. Promote your course. The easiest and most profitable way to promote your course is by using social media. Step number 4. Sell your course using an online platform. 3. Offer sites. If you're telling me you want the easiest of all passive income ideas, then I'm not kidding when I say I found your answer. Bargain sites. Definition of offer sites. Bargain sites are websites that tell you easy ways to earn or save money, such as coupons, completing surveys for cash or points, watching videos, and providing feedback for cash, etc. As you can see, the bargain sites doesn't consume much brainpower. They are an easy way to earn extra money. It should not be viewed as a source of part-time income. 4. Start a blog. You can blog about anything. Food, finance, fashion, automobiles, the list goes on. And you can make a lot of money blogging. I know some bloggers, in fantasy football, who make over $100,000 per month in passive income through their blog. Blogging is for you if enjoy writing. I love creating content, have a long-term mindset, you are passionate about a topic, they are good at working on the technical stuff. There are so many different and fun ways to earn an extra $1,000 per month through these best passive income ideas. Now that you've seen what's available and what you can actually do to earn some extra money, all you have to do is get started. Getting started may be the hardest part of your journey, but it is the most essential. Remember the following keys when you are building your passive income. Consistency, plan, long-term outlook. You cannot win on day one. So, don't expect these passive income ideas to earn you $1,000 on day one. However, if you stick with your plan long enough, you can earn more than $1,000 in passive income by combining some of these passive income ideas. Once you get past consistency, your bank accounts will seriously thank me later. What passive income ideas would you like to pursue? Leave your answer in the comments.